To add a Facebook-style engagement button in Card and customize its appearance, you use the built-in button element combined with the appearance panel for styling. This gives you full control over how the button looks without needing external plugins or embed code. Start by opening your Card dashboard and selecting the website you want to edit. Click Edit Site to enter the builder where all elements and design settings are managed. Once inside the editor, click the Add Element button, usually shown as a plus icon. From the list of elements, choose Button. This creates a clickable button that you can use for actions like visiting a Facebook page or encouraging engagement. After adding the button, open its settings panel. Set the label text to something clear and action-focused, such as like on Facebook, follow on Facebook, or visit our page. Then paste your Facebook page URL into the link field so users are redirected when they click it. At this point, the button is functional, but the key improvement comes from styling it through the appearance panel. Open the appearance settings by clicking the paintbrush icon in the editor. Inside Appearance, locate the button styling options. This is where you can control the visual identity of all buttons on your site or adjust them consistently across the layout. You can change the button color by modifying the accent color. This is the main color used for buttons, so setting it to a Facebook-like blue or your brand color helps create visual consistency and recognition. Next, adjust the text color to ensure readability. For darker buttons, use white text. For lighter buttons, use darker text to maintain contrast and accessibility. You can also modify the border radius to change how rounded the button appears. A more rounded style gives a modern, friendly look, while a sharp edge creates a more formal appearance. Spacing and padding settings can also be adjusted to make the button larger and more clickable, which is especially useful for mobile users. After styling, preview your site to ensure the button stands out clearly and matches the overall design of your page. Once everything looks correct, click Publish to apply your changes to the live site. And that's how you style a Facebook engagement button in Card. Add a button element, set the link, then use the appearance panel to adjust color, shape, spacing, and overall design for a clean and professional look.